Testing, testing, testing. Hey there, guys. My name is Rohan Bivit, and today we are going to be talking about momentum. Today we're going to be talking about what is momentum. Now, let's first ask the question, which is more dangerous? A coconut falling from a coconut tree onto your head, or being shot by a bullet from a gun? Okay? Which one do you think is more dangerous? Now, most people think that bullets are more dangerous because they're fast, right? So let's see the average speed of a regular bullet. It depends, but the average speed just of some regular bullet is around let's say 400 meters per second. Now that's very fast because it's traveling 400 meters per second. Every second it's traveling that fast, okay? Now, let's say, what about the coconut, for example? Okay, what about the coconut? Well, we have to first see how tall the tree is, which is around 15 meters, okay? And the initial velocity, of course, is 0 meters per second, and it's falling from a distance, again, from 15 meters, and also due to the acceleration of gravity, right? We can put it as 10 meters per second squared. And by using this formula, we input all the stuff, and it gives us the square root of 300, which equals to 17.32, but we could just put it as 17 meters per second approximately, okay? Now, as we see here, okay, the bullet is still faster, right? It's very much faster, and that solves it, right? That solves that the bullet is more dangerous. But what about the mass of the object? What about the weight? So instead of thinking about the speed, we have to think about the momentum. But what is momentum? Momentum is basically mass times velocity, okay? It's that simple. So let's check the momentum of these two objects. So let's say we have the bullet. It still, again, depends on the bullet type, but the average weight of the bullet is, let's say, 10 grams. So because of the what's stated for momentum, we have to times these. And because for the 10 grams, it's 1 out of 1,000 kg, but since we're using SI units, we have to change it to 1 out of 100 kg times 400 meters per second, which equals to 4 kg meters per second, okay? That's for the bullet. As for the coconut, the average weight of a coconut is 1 kg, okay? So we have to times that by 17 meters per second, and that gives us 17 kg meters per second. And now that we see that the coconut has more momentum, okay? It's 4 times more, which basically means that the coconut falling from a tree, okay, is more dangerous than the bullet if it hits you, because all that force is hitting onto your poor head, which can injure it gravely or even kill you, okay? And as for the bullet, yes, it's still dangerous. It's sharp pointed, right? It can pierce through the body, and it could hit all the internal organs and stuff like that, which could damage, cause internal bleeding, and of course also kill you, okay? But we now know that the coconut is more dangerous technically because it has more momentum, okay? That's basically what momentum is, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!